In this video, we explain why heat spikes your heart rate. When you run in the heat, your body faces a physiological tug-of-war between your muscles and your skin. To cool you down, the hypothalamus signals vasodilation, diverting significant blood flow to the skin for evaporative cooling, which means less blood returns to the heart. This creates a conflict. Your muscles need oxygen to move, but your skin needs blood flow to prevent you from overheating. Because venous return drops, your stroke volume, the amount of blood pumped per beat, decreases significantly. To maintain cardiac output necessary for movement, your heart rate must increase to compensate. This is classic cardiovascular drift, and studies show this can decouple your heart rate from your pace after just 15 minutes in hot conditions. How much of a spike should you expect? A common rule of thumb derived from exercise physiology suggests that for every 10 degrees Fahrenheit increase above 55 degrees, your heart rate rises by about 10 beats per minute at the same effort. Humidity exacerbates this by hindering sweat evaporation, causing your internal core temperature and heart rate to rise even faster. The good news is the human body is incredibly plastic and adapts relatively quickly. Research indicates that 10 to 14 days of heat exposure triggers plasma volume expansion, improves sweating rates, and lower electrolyte loss. This acclimatization restores stroke volume, meaning that sky-high heart rate will eventually settle down as your body learns to manage the thermal load. However, not everyone suffers equally. Smaller runners generally dissipate heat better due to a higher surface area to mass ratio. Furthermore, while high aerobic fitness improves thermoregulation, fit runners often generate more metabolic heat because they run faster. This is why even elites need to respect the heat. Physiology can't be cheated, only optimized. So how should you adjust? If you are training by heart rate, you must slow down to stay in your prescribed zone, or accept that a Zone 2 pace might generate Zone 4 internal stress. During the first 2 weeks of heat, ignore pace completely and run strictly by heart rate or rate of perceived exertion, RPE, while hydrating to support that crucial plasma volume. Adjust your zones for the heat and run smart.